Hello guys and welcome back. Hakim for Projection back again with the newest and news as you always never promised. Guys, finally I bought tripod. I'm doing videos for 4 years and I didn't have tripods, and I ordered it, guys, for almost now 6 months or 8 months, and every time I say I will unbox it, I will see how it looks like, but I don't have time, no time to see. So this is Huawei, okay. Nothing special, looks so normal. Let's see now how it looks like. My point, what I want to tell you, that there is more expensive than this. This is cost $30, okay. There is more. I found a tripod cost $200 almost, okay. But I don't need it, It's not about money. I just see that this is just for taking some selfie, to snap some videos I'm gonna do. What is this? Let's try to grab it. Yeah, this is Huawei. This is original one. This is for taking photo. Okay. Now no more any time like this. Now I was snapped by tripod, and you put it just here. Okay, that's all. And start to take selfie. Yeah, let me see how long he is. Listen, I'll tell you about the quality. Wait, let me check. Looks not bad. Okay, about quality, looks not bad. You mean the bottom is gonna be like this, and you will hold like this and you snap. Okay, and this is how to. Let's open the legs and see how it looks like. Let's open his legs. Just to see, guys, don't understand me wrong. Okay. Wow. Yeah, so you stand like this. You mean I should open it first? Okay. Guys, I'm sorry, I'm holding one hand, but not anymore. Now we have tripods, so I will not do the shame anymore. Finally! Finally! Oh, come on, you motherfucker. Don't annoy me. I already don't have mood. I don't know, looks trash. Looks not stable, Looks not, yeah, Huawei will do something nice. They just nice in copying iPhone and Samsung, They're just nice. If iPhone do something, next day Huawei do. Samsung to create something, next day Huawei do. Samsung create something affordable, next day Huawei affordable. Oh, I don't know, looks trash. What is this? Why he not stable? Anyway, I don't know, look, it's not. I don't know, looks not that cool. And he's not stable that well. I mean, I will not trust to put my iPhone on him. Just let's grab. You mean that's all? How much mirror? $360. Wow, something really big. It's 600 millimeter. Bullshit, I don't think so. This is maximum 1 meter. This is maximum 1 meter 20, including this. I mean, bullshit as fuck. Where's my Samsung? Wait, let's try. Like gun, scare me. Oh, come on. Okay, let's try to snap now. That's the bottom. You mean I should open the Bluetooth? You mean I should bury it or how? See, it's flashing. I guess you should bear it first. Anyway, guys, it's not that quality, you know. It's normal. I don't know. I will not trust my iPhone Max on this tripods, honestly. Not looks that cool. I don't know. Guys, let's see his model, that you stay away from the shit. I don't know. I don't have model. Everything by Chinese. Well, garbage Huawei. I don't know why I bought this trash. So anyway, this is it. Quality looks cheap, to be honest with you guys, and everything looks cheap, and the holders down here, the standards, they looks what's this cheapness? So guys, this was the trash Huawei tripods. Stay away and don't buy this shit. Buy something more nice brand. So anyway, guys, it looks like I have to buy the expensive one. I have to buy the expensive one. They say always Jewish pay twice. You know why? Because first time he feel beaten, he buy this shit, and then he go back again and buy something nice, so he pay twice. This is Jewish people. So okay guys, thanks for watching, and we'll see you again with another videos with Hatamani for objection, and peace and love for everyone.